Now, this one, Milwaukee grinder, customer says it went kaput. I don't think this can be fixed. He said it just stopped on him. Doing nothing. Totally dead. The switch doesn't feel like it's doing anything. This one a wee bit different. She's fresh anyway. Same wee tiny bearing anyway. There's one of the variable speed. The M18 FSAGVI V1 15XPDB. Such a mouthful. I don't even know if that's new or not. Yeah, it is new. Different controller on it. She's not as good as what it was. There's why. Little tiny switch. There's a fuse in this as well, so we'll just check that just in case. Not sure if that fuse is available separately, but I know everything in the motor you can't buy. But even if it's not available, you probably could get it somewhere else. It has blown low. Right, might be able to be fixed. Check up the breakdown diagram and see if that is available to buy. Right, that's your controller. No fuse. Typical Milwaukee. Look, can't even buy anything inside of the head here. You buy them in your head. You can buy the lock pin, bits for the gears, your lever for your handle. That's about the height of it. Screws, and your motor's all one piece. So that is no good to me. No fuse. And I tried a few other models as well that I've had on here before. These are the same thing. Looks to be part of the controller. Nah. And this one's the same. I'm nearly certain I've seen one of these before where you could buy that fuse. But apparently not. Where's the controller here? Controller part 65. Just get an image of it and see if it has it. Yeah, no images of it. Nobody ever buys it. Too expensive. Right, look at the size. Guess that's probably a 100 or something like that. The worst thing about this is we have to scrape off all the goo now. Obviously, they don't want you changing this. Why put it on if they're not going to give you it as a part? Or at least let you change it easily. Like this silicone's elastic here, this glue. It's not trying to waterproof anything, it's just sticking it together so you can't easily get into it. And they put on lots of it. Don't take off more than you need to. We just want the screws out. I'll have to take off more than we thought. How can you get away with this? Building protection on, and making sure you can't use it. There's one. This one's even worse. I mean, that is solid. Honestly, I feel like sticking that screwdriver through your finger and putting in a claim for negligence. For why they're putting that in there. Look at this. Look. If you just bridge that with a wire as well, but we'll try and change it. You're probably wondering why I took these out. See why now? Quiet you. Yeah, right to repair and all that. Milwaukee hasn't got that memo yet. Right to repair. I actually can't believe how hard they made that. That's downright dangerous trying to get this stuff off. You're the right to repair your stuff. They shouldn't be making it as difficult as possible to repair it. I mean, it's bad enough not supplying the parts, but then to do this. And people wonder why I don't do finer electronic work. I think I'm a bit too rough for that. There we go. Right, that was a pain. Yeah, 100 amp. 100 amp fuse. Right, not so bad. We're on luck. Don't have the exact one. We have one that'll do. or 2 that'll do. I'm going to need the nut again for this. These here, you can buy them like this. A lot of them actually come like this too. I only have 50 amps. This is 100. But fuses aren't picky. If you don't have 100, 2 50s will do. Just join the 2 of them together. It'll give you the same thing. It's the thickness of the material that's giving you the rating. These sometimes just slide apart. Apparently this one's a bit different. Yeah, that was different. It's just a wire inside. Look. How cheap is that? That's what it should be. Thicker version of this. Right. What can you do? Work with what you have. I could have a scrap one out there as well. But the thought of going onto one of these here and trying to dig out more glue, I don't think I want to do that. So I think this will do. This is just to have the rating plate on it. Just so the next man knows what it is. Right, get this back on here. Right, we're on. But I don't like how sharp this is. So I'm just going to put a bit of insulating tape around this. There's a lot of fine wires down in here. Maybe that's why they had so much glue on it. But even still, they could have used silicone or something easier to remove. Don't see why they couldn't have just used a normal car fuse like everybody else. But heavier duty. Maybe that's why they used it, because less of them out there, harder to get. More people will be familiar with a car fuse than this. Right, I think that should do. Not as impressive as the other ones anyway. I was saying these are quite good before, but obviously not anymore. Give them one bit of praise and they change the quality. Switch doesn't fill you with confidence. It's only just pushing that wee micro switch. Right, give us a go. There's not even an air deflector on this anymore. I've taken that out too. Used to be a wee boy sat on top of there. See what I mean? This crowd just try to cut costs as much as possible while still charging you the same amount. I wonder if I actually could have just used a 100 amp normal car fuse in that. know if you get a 100 amp one or not. I would imagine you should. That'll be easier to put in there than that thing anyway. Right. Moment of truth. Is that sorted out? Be a nice wee fix for everybody if it does. Actually does, look. There you go, folks. If you have a Milwaukee grinder, especially one of these or the older ones, and it just stops dead on you after you're doing a bit of heavy work, check that fuse. That's the M18 FSAGV115XPDB. That's a mouthful. If you have one and it stops dead, change the fuse. It's a 100 amp fuse. If you can't get one of them, get 250s and put them together. That'll give you the same thing. Or if you can get it, a 100 amp car fuse, just solder that on instead, or bolt it on any way you can. That's a wee bit more heavy duty though. That's it. If you have one, you can easily fix it. Even though Milwaukee do not want you to. Don't supply the part, and they don't make it easy to change.